How to use virtual Visa card in PayPal. Well, it's very easy to do it. I will show you in this video how you can use virtual Visa card on PayPal in just few steps. So let's get started. Here you can see that I'm already into my PayPal, and once you are into the PayPal, on the top menu bar you will see a lot of options. Don't get confused, go to the pay and get paid. Once you click on it, you will get a drop down, right? You can see this is a drop down. Here go to the payment methods and you have to click on bank and cards. So first of all, why we are going into the bank and cards? Because you have to link your Visa virtual card, then only you will able to use in PayPal, right? So here go to the credit and debit cards, click on link a card. Once you click on link on card, it will give you information where you have to fill it up, and then you will able to link your card. For example, you have to enter your credit card or debit card of Visa virtual card number here. Then click on card type, go to the Visa, expiration date, security code, and then you have to add the address and click on link card. In just few seconds, you will able to link your Visa virtual card to your PayPal, and then you will able to use it for the any kind of transaction through PayPal. I hope you found this video very useful. Thank you.